Welcome to the Weather Centre on Thursday, where we can expect a pleasant winter's day for much of South Africa. You'll see a cold front moving through the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, cooling things off ever so slightly. A mostly clear to partly cloudy and dry day is forecast over the central, northeastern and eastern part of South Africa, with a sunny day as we head towards the Northern Cape. And then we'll see a ridging high move in behind that cold front, and that produces an onshore flow, which brings in the possibility of rainfall over the southern part of South Africa. In fact, our rainfall probability map shows that 40% chance of rain, mainly along the southern Cape coastline, with some light rain in the forecast over the southern part of the Western Cape, and you'll see a dry day for the rest of the country. We're forecasting warm weather in the northeast, 24 degrees for Polokwane and Pretoria, as well as Potchefstroom, with the rest of those highs for the northwest also peaking in the mid-20s, 28 degrees for Phalaborwa and Ermelo and Bethlehem at 20 degrees. A mild to warm afternoon is forecast for the Free State, 25 for Ladysmith, Welkom and Umtata, 26 for Pietermaritzburg, a cooler day for Grahamstown at 21. Port Elizabeth matches that daytime high with a light northeasterly breeze. In fact, you'll see that northeasterly wind all the way through to Richards Bay at 25, with a 1.5 metre southeasterly swell along the east coast. Maximum temperatures remain in the mid-20s for Graaff-Reinet and Somerset East. Still quite cool over the Western Cape interior, but with a few of those highs starting to head into the low 20s. A chilly day is in store for Muizenberg and Hermanus, with a moderate southerly breeze for False Bay, but more of a light southwesterly wind as we head along the coast, especially between Mossel Bay and Jeffreys Bay, all in the upper teens, with a 2.5 metre southwesterly swell along the south coast. Just shy of 30 as we head towards Uppington, 26 for Prieska and Kimberley, 18 degrees for Sutherland and Springbok at 21. A cool day is in store along the west coast, with highs mainly in the upper teens, 16 degrees for Cape Town with a moderate southerly wind, and you'll see a 30 km/h south-southeasterly wind for Longabon and Alexander Bay, with a 3 metre southwesterly swell along the west coast. On Friday, we'll see a bit of a change in the weather, especially over the southern and southeastern parts, with cloudy, cold and wet weather in the forecast. We might even see a few thundershowers forming, and Cape Town can also expect some rain at only 16 degrees. You'll see cloud remaining in the forecast across the interior, with highs also remaining in the 20s. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a lovely Thursday.